this is how I clean and prepare myself each day. Early in the morning when I wake up, I fix my bed. After that, I head over to the bathroom to wash my face. Face in Filipino is muka. Also, I gargle my mouth. Mouth in Filipino is bibig. Also, I wash my hands. Hands in Filipino is kamay. Now I am ready to eat my breakfast. After eating breakfast, I brush my teeth. Teeth in Filipino is ngipin. Using my favorite toothbrush, I put a small amount of toothpaste. Also, taking a bath is my favorite thing to do because I can spend long hours playing inside my bathtub. Now this is how I clean my arms. Arms in Filipino is braso. I put soap on my scrub. Now gently rub it on my shoulders. Shoulders in Filipino is balikan. Also, I wash my knees. Knees in Filipino is tuhod. I wash my legs. Legs in Filipino is binte. Also, I wash my feet many times so that the germs or bacteria would not grow. Oh, now this is how I wash my hair. Hair in Filipino is buhok. I put a right amount of shampoo on your hand. Now gently rub it to remove the dirt on your hair. Oh, don't forget to rinse it off properly. It is important to clean our body so that we will both fight germs or bacteria.